I'm going to show you how you can easily use Coinstar Cash Voucher. After depositing your coins at the Coinstar kiosk, select the cash option to receive a printed voucher. Then, take the printed voucher to the customer service desk or checkout counter of the same store. Next, present the voucher to the cashier or store associate and request to redeem it for cash. Ensure you redeem the voucher on the same day it was issued to avoid potential issues. Be aware that the voucher is valid only at the location where it was issued and cannot be used elsewhere. If the store cannot process the voucher, ask to speak with a manager or call Coinstar support. Now keep the voucher safe, as lost or stolen vouchers cannot be replaced and are treated like cash. If the voucher is damaged or unreadable, contact Coinstar customer service for help. Once redeemed, count your cash to ensure it matches the amount printed on the voucher.